Merciful Lord, hear our prayer. In moments of conflict, when the soul despairs, renew our hearts, bring peace and understanding. May we find true redemption in you. Inner communal and divine unity, guide us, Lord, on your bright path. With love and wisdom, you show us your path. We will live in harmony as one destiny. Jesus, Redeemer, our guide and salvation, gives the strength to overcome every temptation.